This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin now. Enable developer options and USB debugging so you can interact with the firmware. This is essential. Once done, connect the Poco M2 Pro to a PC with a reliable USB cable and confirm the phone shows in a DB or fast boot. Make sure you've backed up photos and contacts because later steps can wipe user data. Also, verify your My Account email and password. If the device is MyLocked, you'll need them to avoid permanent lockout. Now move into Fast Boot and Unlock. Boot the phone to Fast Boot mode and run the My Unlock tool or use Fast Boot OEM Unlock commands from your PC. This removes the lock by unlocking the bootloader. During the process, accept any on-screen OEM Unlock confirmation on the phone. Once the tool reports success, the bootloader is unlocked. This allows further resets. If the tool returns a countdown, the device enforces a waiting period. Note the timer and return when allowed. Finish by wiping user data in recovery. Boot to recovery, choose Wipe Data/Factory Reset, and confirm. This removes stored fingerprints. After reboot, set up the device like new and re-add fingerprints if desired. If the phone requests the My Account after reset, sign in with the original account. This is the common lock barrier. If fingerprints persist, verify the bootloader status and repeat the wipe. If problems continue, contact My Support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.